Hello guys, welcome back to my video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to stop notification, something like this. On Google Chrome, you are having a lot of notifications pop up on your screen. So I'm going to show you how to stop. Once you are on your Chrome browser, you can select this three dots, head over to settings. In settings, you can see over here privacy and security, click over there, and after that site settings, and scroll down until you will find the option notifications. Click over here and scroll down and you can see allow to send notifications. This is the size you are getting notification from. You can just click this three dots again and you can remove, and now as you can see it has been stopped. And if you want to completely remove the notification like this ones, you can just click over here, don't allow size to send notifications, and it will go away. So guys, it was very simple. So guys, leave a like, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.